I am loving the Elementor page builder. Don't tell Divi. If you are looking to get a review and a tutorial about the Elementor page builder, this is the place to be because I'm going to take you, share my screen and take you inside the platform to show you how awesome the page builder is. Also, if you're looking to learn more about the Elementor page builder, click in the link below because there's an entire course where you can go ahead and set up your website in a week. So I'll see you there. So in this video, we are going to be looking at the Elementor page builder, and I'm going to take you through, give you a review, why I like it and how it's kind of different from some others, and also show you how to get started. So let's get into it. So if you go to Elementor's website, you can see that you can click here, get started, and it'll basically take you through this series of questions. What you can also do is you can go into your WordPress website, go into plugins, add new, and add the Elementor plugin. Because, like I said, Elementor is a page builder, so it's actually a plugin. It's not a theme in itself. So you can download it using plugins in WordPress. That's one of the big difference between Elementor and Divi. Divi is a theme. It also acts as a page builder, but it is also a theme. For Elementor, the one theme that I really like to use is called Astra, Astra. It also has a free option. The pro version is also really good, but I currently use the free version. So if you go to Elementor's pricing, you will see the different pricing. And I think the pricing is really good, especially if you're an agency, it is a steal. And if you're building a personal website, you want to DIY your own website, it is $49 a year for one site, which is amazing. By the way, if you are DIYing your website and are struggling with it, I have a really cool mini course that is Website in a Week. So if you're interested in checking it out, find the link below and go check it out. I'm sure you'll love it. As part of the course, I use Elementor to build out the website. So this is the pricing, and you can see that the features remain the same across the plans. It's just about how many sites you can use on a particular plan. Let's go into let's go into Elementor and look at the different options. So the one thing that I really like about Elementor is that it has a side dashboard. So you can look at the different elements all at once and decide what you want to add to your page when you're building your page. So this one, so you can see these are all basic widgets here, elements, they call it elements. These are pro, so these basically are included in the pro plan, and the pro plan, like you can see, has amazing features like animated headlines, price tables. They also have social media sharing buttons. They have Facebook buttons like comments, embed, Facebook page, etc. They also have some general elements here which you can use on the free plan, and essential add-ons are also something you can use, most of them on the free plan. So as you can see, this is a very easy way to just kind of drag and drop. Just drag and drop uh, the element. So I'll just remove this because I just added it here. So you can just drag and drop. For example, if you wanted to create a button, you would drag and drop the button here. Yep. It is a little slow because I'm recording this video. The other thing about the Pro plan, if you do consider to go for the Pro plan, is that they have integrations with different email service providers like ConvertKit, the common ones, Drip, MailChimp, and they also have an integration with Zapier. So in case you want to connect it to any other platforms, you can do that easily. I'm just going to drag this one here. Like I said, this is a little slow. Okay, just leave it here. The other thing is, like I already showed you, the Pro version has a lot of additional elements in in addition to this. On the Pro version, you can actually build pop-ups with rules and conditions. So for example, if you have a sales page built in Elementor and you want to have a particular pop-up for a discount code or something, you can actually put in a condition that this pop-up should only show on this page. Also, you can have headers for traffic coming through Google. So these are some additional features that are amazing. The other thing that you can do with the Pro version is you can customize headers and footer as well. So you don't need to use WordPress to customize these. You can just use Elementor to customize them, and you can also customize your blog layouts. So that's a great feature. The other thing about Elementor Pro is, so for example, you created this box with this image, you could actually save this as a template. So this is a free, this website uses a free version, but if you had the paid version, you could actually save this as a template and as a global template, and then you could use it on a different page. So you would just just save this as a template and then use that same image on a different uh, page without having to customize it. So that's one great feature with Elementor, which you'll also find in some sales funnels builders like ClickFunnels or Lead Pages. The other thing is with Elementor Pro, you do get premium support from Elementor's team of professionals. So in case you have any questions, you can reach out to them. So let's add a widget here. You can add it from here, or you can drag it from the list here. And this is basically the folder. So if you do have a templatized widget, so if you've saved a widget, so right now it's not showing me any because I don't have any. If I look under blocks, I don't have any saved ones, but yeah, so it's not showing any that I have saved. So it says save to your library, but if you wanted to replicate this here, and if you would save this as a predefined template widget, you could just go to the folder and choose it from there. So I'm just going to drag this here. You can also use the plus button to add it. And then you can customize it. You can choose the size, the HTML tag if you want any alignment. You can write the text here and here as well. So it becomes really easy, It depends on what you find convenient. So if you like writing it here, if you've used something like Divi in the past or some other tool that has that feature, you might be more comfortable. I like writing it here. And then under style, you have text color, typography. If you want a shadow, you could use a shadow. All of these features, you could have a blend, advanced, you could have margins. So you see there's a margin now, padding. You could change the background, border, positioning. There are a bunch of options that you can choose and use based on your needs. So that's it. That's my first look into Elementor. So I think it is a great page builder. And the two main things that I love about it is you can get started for free and choose to test it out. And the second is the side dashboard, which is really helpful. So if you have any questions, put them in the comments below. I'd be happy to answer. And don't forget to check out my website in a week mini course. You can find the link below, and I will see you in a later video. Bye bye.